Alright, back again guys. I'm out on a new permission today, come out with Stuart. We've not been on this field before, so Stu's having to go over in the corner. I've come over to this big tree, thought I'd have a little play around, see what we can find here. So, got a little signal, and I think it might be my first coin. So you can still see it in the clod there. May well be a button, but we shall open it together and see if we can find out what it is. Yeah, it's a button. Never mind. Right, we'll keep looking. Right guys, no signal. Field's really quiet, but you can see that. I think I've got my first coin finally, but it's a bit crusty, and I don't think I'm going to get any detail off that. So, blank disc, probably George 3rd, George 2nd. Right, right guys, another little coin I think, but it could be a button. Got a bit of gilt on it, but can't see a shank. It's been bent, whatever it is, but yeah, I've got a feeling that's a button. Right, we'll keep moving. Right guys, well we come onto a bit of pasture. The other field was really quiet, so a little signal, and it's still there on the clod. Looks like it's a worn Georgian. Too far gone I think to get any detail off that, but quite thick, so probably George 3rd halfpenny. Right, moving on. Alright, next signal. Being fashioned for something anyway, so. Right. Keep moving. Right guys, another coin. Pretty worn, don't think I'm going to get anything off that, but yeah, probably another Georgian. Right, never mind, must be silver there somewhere. Alright, last signal of the day, very worn Vicky halfpenny. So literally heading to the car, and that was the last dig of the day. So there we are, not much to report, but try again next time. Right guys, come on to another pasture field. So I've got all this to do. Literally second signal, and I've just pulled up a really nice buckle. So came up as a 91, I almost didn't dig it because I thought it might be aluminium, but yeah, that's a lovely buckle that. Yeah, really happy with that one. That's a cracking start. So right, sign of things to come hopefully. Alright, see you in a bit guys. Right guys, another signal. Just walked up this little hedge line here, come across, and there's a heck of a deep signal. It's well beyond the depth of a pro pointer there, and just pulled out another buckle. But it's still got a bit of a hard plastic attached to it, but yeah, another decent buckle. So that's two buckles, so we can find some coins. Alright, another hole. We'll do a little recovery on this one. Bit of a jumpy signal this, so could be anything. That's still in there. like piece of iron. Aha! The compulsory iron ring. Oh, there we go. Right, keep moving. Right guys, another little signal, and it looks like it maybe could be a sac seal. Not sure, it could be a weight. It's got a little H on that side. Little H on that side as well, I think. So, don't know, interested in that one. So, right, moving on. Well guys, I think it's a day for buckles, because that's the third one I've had today. This one's a bit smaller than the others, but yeah, seems they dropped their trousers enough, but just need to find out where they dropped their money. Right. Right guys, just been, well, I'm just walking up this little track here now, and pulled up a little signal, and I think I've got a little coin. It's a bit toasted, but it's a coin nonetheless, so I'm on the right track, so we'll keep on moving. Right guys, definitely a buckle day today. Just pulled that one out. Would have been nice if it was complete, but unfortunately it's broken. But that's 4 buckles and 1 crusty copper. So there we are. Let's go and find some more buckles.